Hey everyone, Hayley from Rent Choice. I'm going to take you through 49C Westview Street in Scarborough. Here we go. Here we have our formal entry via the main street, and it opens into the living area and dining area. You have a courtyard, the washing line, and into the kitchen. Kitchen's got gas burners, beautiful modern oven, and a dishwasher. We have a rear entrance and a large fridge space. We go through into the double garage and back entrance off a laneway. Back into the kitchen, into the laundry. Plenty of storage and space for a washing machine with another door into that courtyard. Into the side wing is a study nook, quite spacious. Storage. To the secondary bathroom with a bath, heat light, separate toilet, more storage, and two secondary bedrooms, both with fans. Built-in storage. A door, which is very handy. Moving upstairs. Into the landing. Looking down. To the master. Beautiful entryway. Beautiful bathroom. Shower, toilet, with a door into the master.